Checking out the Creality Honeycomb accessory. Now this I'm going to use with my Falcon 2 laser engraver, so we'll put this accessory to work and see how it does. So the honeycomb is 19 3/4 inches square and it's about 7/8 deep, so pretty sturdy construction on that. And I like the fact that it's steel. That lets me use magnets to hold down my projects. Now I'm typically using leather, and of course the edges of the leather tend to curl up, and when I only had an aluminum shield, I had to kind of tape that down to keep the leather from curling. This shield does come with the kit as well, and this will go underneath your honeycomb, but it's very nice to have steel so you can make use of those magnets. Now on the aluminum shield, it'll come with a protective film, and you want to remove that before doing any engraving. That seems to peel off cleanly. And we'll place the honeycomb grid right on top of that. So I feel laser engravers that have an air assist function really do better on a honeycomb grid. It just gives it a chance to let that air circulate and cool down your material, so less burning and just overall better quality cuts. And as far as your materials, steel on the honeycomb itself, I can feel this is weakly magnetized, but I'm just getting the steel underneath. The perimeter frame is actually aluminum, and then the shield itself is aluminum as well. So only place you'll be able to use magnets is right over the honeycomb. So if you're only using an aluminum shield and it's starting to look like this, it may just be time to pick up a honeycomb. So if you're running a laser engraver, especially one that has an air assist feature, I would definitely recommend using a honeycomb. It's much more efficient than just the aluminum shield that may have come with your unit, so highly recommended on this honeycomb grid.